everyone! Today I'm making this cute little Hangyodon for a friend and I thought I'd film the process. Hangyodon is a Sanrio character along with Hello Kitty, My Melody, and other characters like that. I started by mixing my sculpey polymer clay to match his body and fin colors. Then I blended my clay together to roughly make the shape of his body. He's got a lot of odd shaped body parts, so there was a lot of trial and error before I eventually just settled on some things being good enough for me. For example, these feet, or flippers, or toes, or whatever they are, I squished a bunch of tiny clay balls together, blended the cracks, and then called them good. His hands are weirdly shaped like his feet. I thought of them as looking kind of clover shaped, so instead of making cute green 4-leaf clovers, I made 2 goofy looking blue ones instead. Next I made him some darker blue fins for the top of his head and the sides of his face before moving on to his mouth beak thingy. I made him frowning slightly before adding a piece of pink clay to the center of his mouth to make the beak. Then I finally gave him some eyeballs, first with white clay which made him look like a zombie fish before adding some teensy tiny black pupils. To finish, I added a lot of tiny details with black clay which was almost impossible to do on camera. I tried, but they make him go from Bob the blue blob to vaguely fish-like. Then I threw him in the oven for a few minutes and he was officially done. I really feel like he's such an underrated character because I personally didn't know about him until about a year ago. I was really happy when someone wanted me to make him. A big thank you to my friends over on Patreon, Kelly, Patrick, Michelle, Jill, and Chris. You guys are what allow me to keep doing what I love, which is creating art and videos. If you would like to see more of my art, subscribe to my channel. We are so incredibly close to 100,000. I'll leave links in the description to other places you can find me online. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye!